Year 3, welcome back, and thanks to everybody who shared me their fabulous fossil fish last week. They were fantastic. So I've got a surprise for you this week, and it's right in here. I have got some beautiful baby bunnies. Can you see? Okay, we took in a abandoned mummy rabbit who'd been abandoned by the side of the road. Little did we know she was actually pregnant. And about 11 days ago, she gave birth to 3 beautiful, healthy bunnies. So come and have a look. Unsurprisingly, this week's art activity has been inspired by rabbits. Now there's a fantastic children's illustrator and author called Catherine Rayner who does the most wonderful pictures of rabbits. And that's what we're going to use for inspiration today. So let me show you how it's done. So you're going to start your Catherine Rayner inspired bunny by drawing a V down sort of over halfway down the bottom of the paper. Let me show you. So a big V like that. And that is going to be your rabbit's nose. And a line like that. Okay. Then you're going to connect that and then connect that. So this is going to be your rabbit's nose. Put his little chin in like that. Okay. Now the rabbit's face is like a pear shape. Let me show you. So you're just going to draw around. So a kind of bulgy bit here and then a narrower top, like I say, a pear shape, and then around to join that shape up. So that's the rabbit's head. Okay, let's give him some shoulders. Okay, and Rayner's illustrations are so quirky. They're not meant to be realistic, so you can just make it your own, really. The eyes go on the side of the bunny's head. So just draw an oval there and an oval there. Put a highlight in there, and then the pupil. Highlight and the pupil. Now for the fun bit, the ears. The ears on the Rayner rabbits are massive, so you're just going to go as big as you can right to the top of the paper, and then down again, and then put another slightly smaller ear shape inside to show the inside of the ear, and then another one on the other side going stretching right the way across to fill your paper. We're nearly done. So all that needs to be done is the whiskers. So let's just go. Nice big whiskers there. Great. So now what I'm going to do now is outline the entire drawing with a thin black permanent marker. Outlined the entire drawing with thin black permanent marker and erased all the pencil marks. And now I'm going to add watercolour paint. So I'm just adding the finishing touches to my rabbit painting. Notice that I've put some darker tones in the rabbit's ears to make it look a little bit more 3D, and I've applied the paint watery in some areas. This makes it look a little bit more textured and doesn't make it look quite so flat, but you can make your bunny whatever colour you want, and if you want to do a background you can. Here is my finished watercolour rabbit, and hopefully yours will look something like this as well. Now don't forget to please share your work onto your distance learning folder and tag me in and I can comment on it. So good luck with this activity and keep drawing.